Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Vish Right. So today we're gonna be comparing two balm primers. One of the primers is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and the other one is gonna be the Angel Veil Primer by NYX. And the reason why I'm comparing and contrasting the two is because I feel like they're very similar. I want to see if the Angel Veil Primer is a dupe for the Tatcha Primer because of the price point. So we're gonna be wearing one primer on one side of my face and another primer on the other side of my face, and then we're gonna come back later and show you which one is better, if not both, or if the NYX is a dupe, whatever the case may be. As we know, this one is $52 and this one is $15.99. Now the amount of product that you get, this is a 1.02 fluid ounces, and this is 0.7 ounces. Okay, but a friend of mine told me to give this a try, and as soon as I tried it, I was like, girl, this feels like my NYX Silk Primer. And so the first ingredient of both of these is the same thing. Let's put one on one side of my face and the other on the other side of my face, and we will compare and contrast how my foundation applies, how my concealer applies, my powder, and then come back at the end of the day and see how everything looks. So we shall do that. And we're gonna put the Angel Veil Primer on my left side. Made by Mark. Very silky. I'm gonna also put some under my eyes just to kind of prove my point. I'm gonna do half of my mouth. Now, Silk Canvas. This has more of a creamy, silky feel. And this also has a rosy scent to it. So upon applying it, it doesn't feel as silky as the NYX primer, but it is silky. It feels silky with a bit of hydration to it. This one has a sheen, and this one's more dull and ashy. This one feels very hydrated. This one feels just so I'm applying the foundation, and the application on both sides of my face seems pretty even. Like, I'm not seeing any noticeably like, oh, one side blends out better than the other. I'm not noticing anything like that. So far so good. If anything, what I'm noticing is this side has more of a sheen to it. Foundation. The other side. They are both flawless, very smooth looking. I don't see anything dramatically different. So the blendability of both sides is perfectly fine. On my mouth, it is blending perfectly fine too. Again, I'm not seeing any major difference with the sides. I think I'm more gonna see a difference probably at the end of the day, maybe. Okay, guys, so this is what the skin looks like. It is now 11:53. This is Bay. Again, this is the side with the NYX Veil Primer, Angel Veil Primer, and this side is the side with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So we will come back later and I will show you what the skin looks like and further compare or contrast the two primers. So I'll see you later.
Many hours later.
What's up guys? I am back. I'm not trying to blind you, but this is what I wear to work. So I just want to come back at 8:05 p.m. alright, and show you what the skin looks like. So I'm just gonna take off my glasses just so you know why there'll be a ring like around my nose area. It's because I wear glasses, so let's not roast me or anything. So this side was the NYX Angel Veil Primer side, and this side was the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So let's look at the skin. Let's zoom in. And really take a look. See? So let's look at the Tatcha side. Oh, hold on. Before we do all that, let's look at the claims of what both these products say that they're gonna do. Well, Tatcha claims that it's a velvety priming balm of pressed silk that smooths and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of the skin, helping to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. Alright, so the solutions are for pores, oiliness, and dullness and uneven texture. So let's look at that. So it says pores. I'm seeing my pores though. right by my nose, which is where I have the most pores. It says oiliness. So despite the cameras and the lights, in person, my forehead, my chin, and my nose is very oily. Alright. Uneven texture, I mean, I don't know. Alright, let's go to the Angel Veil side. It says a velvety smooth primer that creates a uniform canvas, ensures smooth makeup application, makes makeup last with a satin smooth finish. Okay, it doesn't say anything about oiliness because this side is a little oily too, like my chin, my forehead. Pores, it doesn't say anything about that, so it is whatever. I would say this side, the Tatcha side, looks more shiny than this side, but they both kind of look shiny. But all in all, both sides look the same. Like, I'm trying to find a fault here. I do find one fault, but it could just be my glasses. You see around here, I had put both primers underneath my eyes, and you could see right here a little ring. This side doesn't have it as bad, but this side's ring is a lot worse. Again, it could just be my glasses, so I'm not gonna judge too much on that. So I think it's safe to say that both the NYX Angel Veil Primer and the Tatcha Silk Canvas is pretty much the same thing. They have very similar ingredients. The first ingredient and both of the products are the same thing. So is the Angel Veil Primer a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas? Yes, it is. As you see, I do not have the Tatcha Silk Canvas in my hand. Why? Because it's returned back to Sephora. I returned it literally today because I noticed that they were the same. So I saved me a good $40. Yes, and I'm about to save you a good $40. So go ahead and save you some money, sis. The primer's not that serious, honestly. If you just want to feel like splurging on it, then you can. It is what it is, but it's not that serious. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you find these videos helpful, then let me know in the comments below. I read and respond to all my comments, so go ahead and engage with me and say hi, Carter. Say subscribe. Look. Say subscribe. Bye guys. I'll catch you in the next one.